Starting out with Wave Oven Recipes. Today I'm going to cook up a strawberry pie, and I'm going to use the Cuisinart digital air fryer toaster oven so we can see how well it does with baking. So let's get started on that strawberry pie right now. Alright, so the ingredients for this cook are very simple, very straightforward. I've got 2 cans of strawberry pie filling that I'll be using here. I've got some cooking spray that I'll just use on the pie pan, and I've got some pie crusts refrigerated. I'll pull those out in a moment. I like to keep those as cold as possible, so I don't pull those out right away. But what I am going to do right now is just get the Cuisinart digital air fryer toaster oven warmed up. So just going to wake it up by pressing the button here, go down to bake. I'm going to go into the time temperature settings. I'm going to up the temperature to 425 and then go down to time and up to 40 minutes. And then hit start. It's preheating. While it's preheating, going to get the strawberry pie filling open. Alright, got my pie crust out. Just going to spray this pie pan real good. Now I'm going to put one of my pie crusts into the pie pan. Alright, now that I've got a pie crust in there, I'm going to start putting my strawberry pie filling in. Alright, now I'm going to throw my other pie crust on top. And do some quick fork work, just poke some holes for venting. The air fryer is already finished preheating, so it's going to start counting down. I'm also just putting a little flute action on the edges here. What I'm going to do, I'm going to put it in and I'll let it run for about 20 minutes. If it looks like it needs any foil on the edges after about 20 minutes, then I'll go ahead and put foil on. But I'm just going to put it in straight up to start, and we'll see how this cooker does with baking. You hear the fan is going, so this will be interesting if it overcooks the top or not. So open it up, stick it on in. And it gives me a little bit of time to stick it in before it really starts counting down on cooking. But now it's in, 40 minutes, 425. We'll let this cook for a while. I'll bring you back in a bit. Alright, we're just 10 minutes in, and I've got to open up because in just 10 minutes, things are already getting over browned on the top or on the edges. Look at those edges. That's just 10 minutes. I can't say that I've seen that with other cookers that do baking before, where in just 10 minutes I'm already having the thorough protection on edges. Usually this takes about 20 minutes, maybe 15 minutes if it's fast, but 10 minutes. That air fryer fan with the 4 heating elements on top is doing work even in bake mode. So going to start protecting edges. Alright, so I've covered things lightly with foil, and going to go ahead and close up here. And the foil is lightly on the top. I'm not seeing any movement of my foil from the fan at all, so it's not like that fan is moving my foil or causing it to fly up or anything like that. So it is causing things to heat quickly, but it doesn't cause any real movement of anything in there. So I'm going to let it keep cooking for now, and I'll bring you back later. Okay, so we are 20 minutes into this cook of this strawberry pie. You can see in there, the top, where I didn't put the rim protection, is very brown. I mean, this is just 20 minutes in, we're very brown. You might be able to see under bottom, my crust on the bottom is already getting pretty well cooked, but not fully cooked yet. So things are cooking up very rapidly in this cooker. I mean, even for baking, it's cooking much faster than any other tools that I would use or types of cookers for just baking. So this thing cooks hot no matter how you slice it. I'm going to let it continue for now, but I'll bring you back in a moment. That light only stays on for some seconds and then it automatically shuts off. But I guess I could put full totally over the top, but I'm not going to do it. I'm going to just, we're going to just see what happens so that we know. So I'll bring you back. Alright, it's been almost 30 minutes. You can see things are really cooked. The bottom is looking pretty cooked at this point. So I'm going to pull it out with basically 30 minutes cook time. Alright, so it's been cooking for 30 minutes now. I'm going to go ahead and stop and get the pie out. Ooh, gotta be careful. Let me get some of this foil off. I can see where the edges are. That right there. So there we have, get that out of the way. There we have our completed strawberry pie. Now I can hear it kind of bubbling inside. I want to show you underneath again a little clearer. Now you can see close up underneath how well cooked things are on the bottom, because it was heating pretty good on the bottom as well as on the top. So just 30 minutes, everything's fully cooked. This is 10 minutes faster than the Nuwave Breville XL Smart Oven air fryer. So, and it's faster than I've seen with other cooks. I don't think I've cooked a fruit pie in just 30 minutes using like 425 to get everything really cooked over like this. So this was pretty fast. And so what I'm going to do, I'm going to just let this set, let it cool down well, and then we'll do some cut and plate and taste testing. I may or may not refrigerate it, but I'll let it cool one way or another, and then we'll cut, plate, and taste test. Alright, so it's been a couple hours. I can't wait any longer. It's still a little warm underneath. I didn't refrigerate it, but I'm going to go ahead and cut into this strawberry pie anyway. Hope it doesn't fall in too much when I cut into it, but like I said, I can't wait any longer. So, going to go ahead and just cut a slice. The crust is very flaky. So the Cuisinart digital air fryer toaster oven did cook it all the way through well. Here we have the finished strawberry pie. See if we can get a good look there. Alright, since I can't wait any longer, we're going to swap the camera and do the taste test. Alright, strawberry pie time. Let's do a taste. So that's some good strawberry pie. So basically you can do what I just did. Basically any type of fruit pie. Apple pie, cherry pie, strawberry pie, blueberry pie, bumbleberry pie, you name it. You can basically do the same type of thing. And the Cuisinart digital air fryer toaster oven shows that it can do a baking. It does go faster than with some other cookers. It's obviously cooking a bit hotter in there, you know, the way things seem to be cooking, but it does get the job done. I was concerned that it might over brown things in even 30 minutes, to overcook that top even more than it did, but it didn't over brown it any further anymore. I think if I'd gone 40 minutes maybe it would have, but everything was already cooked. So it did get the job done, and things were not, you know, super overcooked on the top or anything of that nature. So a fast cook and good results all the same. So everything turned out well. When you cook with the Cuisinart digital air fryer toaster oven, you may want to, you know, just keep an eye on things, recognize it cooks quick. And so it got the job done, didn't burn it up, and so it's all good. So you can get this, other recipes, heating instructions at superwaveovenrecipes.com. Twitter and Instagram, Wave Oven Recipes. Anytime you want to come straight to this YouTube channel, waveovenrecipes.com. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up please. Share the video with a friend. Subscribe to the channel, and good eating.